craftershippers, thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Welcome to day 4 of my series for the daily Advent unboxing and creating. And I am doing the Advent calendar from Cora Crea crafts. I will have the link in the description box where this was purchased. It was purchased from me by my family as a gift for my birthday. So if you'd like to go over and check out where this came from, that link again is in the description box. And if this is your first time here, I'll have the link in the description box where you can check out the playlist for this whole series. Let's get on to unboxing what we have for day 4. I hope everybody has been having a great December so far. Hope it's not been too stressful. I know the holidays for some people can be very stressful. So I hope everybody's been having a good one. Let's see what we've got for day 4. Oh, this is great. Lock and key metal clips. So we've got the lock here and the key for the metal clips. So I need to think about this one. Let's go ahead and take this out of the package so we can see this a little bit better. This one is going to be somewhat of a challenge to come up with something to create for a journal item, but I think I could possibly use the packing material here, and then I can use these later on in journal making. I always like to use binder clips for things that I'm doing. They would also make great like bookmark type clips for journals or your planner. So these are beautiful. Love the look of these. But I'm going to set these to the side and let's think a little bit about what we've got with the packing material here. I think I can use this packing material to create something. So I'm going to grab a few items and I'll come back. I've grabbed a few items. I've grabbed some Distress Mica stain in the purple color Hocus Pocus, a lock and key, some book page. This book I got from a thrift store. It looks like somebody collected stamps inside of it, so that was a little bonus. And some wax seals, some lace, and some cardstock. So I'm going to add some music here and see what we can come up with. creation for day 4. I took the packing that came with the binder clips, the lock and key, and it already had the slit in it where these had been stuck inside of them, so I thought it would make a perfect pocket. So I glued that down to make the pocket, and I created a journal card and used some of the mica stain in Hocus Pocus to distress and add some color to the journal card. I used my day 4 number, a little sentiment strip, and did some stamping of a lock and key there. I added a little bit of lace trim here that I sprayed with the distressed mica stain. Added some of the book page behind the pocket as a backing. And I took 2 charms that I had and made a little dangle of a lock and key here using the eyelet setter here. Used a little more book page here and used one of those stamps that was in the book page, and then added a wax seal up here in the cluster with the stamps that has a little key. So I hope you're enjoying this series of my unboxing of the Cora Crea Crafts Advent Box. Be sure to hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I put up any new content. And in the spirit of Christmas here in the attic, I leave you with my beverage of the day, which is my French vanilla coffee, and I'm going to open up my Advent chocolate. Let's see what we have today. We have the milk cream with hazelnuts. So I'm going to sit back, enjoy my coffee and my chocolate, and until I see you again here in the attic, y'all take care.